Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to 6sy and q equals to 4y plus 9x to the power of 2. Next, because we have dx, so we need to do first derivative of b with respect to y. So first derivative of y, we have number 1, so we have 6x. We have dy, so we need to do first derivative of q with respect to s. So we have s squared in here. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s, number 9 and number 2. We have 18s. This one we don't have s, so if we do first derivative of this one, you got about 0. So we see that this one is not same with this one. So we can use about integrating factor. So we see that in this one we have 6sy, this one we have 6s, 18s. So that means this is about dy. So we need to use about mu y. Because if we go to mu y, we can get about 6sy, and later that we can simplify by between 6s and 18s. Now, if we want to transform into exact, we need to find about integrating factor. That means we multiply both sides by this one. And we want this one equals to this one. Now, if we do first derivative of b with respect to y, that should be like this. So we do first derivative of y in here, and we have 6s with mu y. Later that we do first derivative of mu y. That should be like this. First derivative of this one we just have in here. And we have mu y in here. Now we need to simplify. 6s mu y we put to the right. (18 minus 6), we have 12. Now we divide both sides by 6s. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. We divide both sides by y. And this one we divide go in here. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu y. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of y. Next, number 2 will go inside here. So in this situation, mu y equals to y squared. That means we multiply both sides by y squared in here. Now, if we go back in here, this one is about ds. So we do first derivative of b with respect to y. First derivative of y to the power of 3. We have 3y squared and we have 18sy squared. The next one, that is about the s. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s, number 9 and number 2, we have 18. And we see that we have the same, that is about exact. Next, I need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equals to the integration of this one. Next, the integration of 6s, we have 3s squared y to the power of 3. Next, we need to do first derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides. So first derivative of y to the power of 3, we have 3y squared, so we have 9s squared y squared. And we know that this one is equals to this one. Now we need to simplify ys squared for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Oh, I forget the over dy in here. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of 4 plus c. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, you got about 3sy. And now we need to change 3sy into this one. And this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.